In this video I am going to tell you how to copy a YouTube video link. So you will just open a video which you want to share its link. I am going to play this video. Now this video is played. Now the share option is available. Look, this is the share option. I will just click on the share option. This is the share option, and here the links are available on which I want to share my video. So if I want to copy the link from here, I will just copy link, and now I can share and paste this link anywhere I want. So guys, if you want to share the link of any YouTube channel, then you will just come and will write down the channel name over here and will search it. This is a Knowledge Hub with Altaf. You can see that there are three dots. You will just click on it, and the share option is again available. Again, you can share and the copy link from here. So guys, this was a short video about video sharing link. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.